Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're looking at the top 5 best drones on Amazon in 2025. Whether you're a beginner learning to fly, an outdoor adventurer looking to capture stunning aerial shots, or a creator needing stable 4K video footage, this list has something for everyone. We'll go through the features, pros, cons, and real-world value of each drone to help you choose the best one. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in. Number 1. Drone with Camera 2K HD FPV Drone with GPS. This foldable lightweight drone comes with a 2K HD camera, FPV transmission, GPS auto return, circle fly, waypoint fly, and gesture selfie features. It also supports 5G transmission and includes 2 batteries for extended flight sessions. This drone is designed for beginners and casual users. With GPS-assisted flight, it's easy to control and reduces the risk of losing your drone. The foldable design makes it portable, and the inclusion of 2 batteries is a plus for longer flights. The 2K camera is good for casual photography and videos, though not as sharp as 4K models. Pros: beginner-friendly with GPS features, foldable and lightweight design, includes 2 batteries, affordable price range. Cons: camera limited to 2K resolution, flight stability is not as advanced as premium drones. Number 2. Bwine F7GB2 Pro Drone with Camera for Adults. This high-performance drone features a 4K UHD camera with a 3-axis gimbal for stabilized footage, 10,000-foot control range, and up to 75 minutes of flight time across 3 batteries. It also includes GPS follow, waypoint, orbit fly, auto return, and a beginner mode. The Bwine F7GB2 Pro is perfect for users who want professional quality aerial shots. The 3-axis gimbal ensures smooth, stable footage even in windy conditions. With an impressive range and extended flight time, this drone is built for serious outdoor filming and exploration. Pros: 4K UHD camera with 3-axis gimbal stabilization, long 75-minute total flight time, 10,000-foot control range, multiple intelligent flight modes. Cons: larger and less portable than smaller drones. Number 3. GPS drone with 4K camera FPV RC Quadcopter. This drone offers a 4K camera with FPV transmission, auto return, follow me mode, circle fly, and a lightweight foldable design. It boasts up to 90 minutes of flight time and even comes with a 5-inch LCD tablet screen built into the remote. This model is a solid balance between advanced features and beginner usability. The long 90-minute flight time sets it apart, while the 5-inch LCD screen makes flying and filming more convenient without needing to connect a smartphone. The 4K camera delivers clear visuals, making it a good choice for casual videographers. Pros: 4K camera with FPV transmission, up to 90 minutes of flight time, built-in 5-inch LCD tablet screen, beginner-friendly with auto return and follow me. Cons: larger design reduces portability. Camera stabilization is not as strong as gimbal-equipped drones. Number 4. Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal 4K GPS drone. Weighing under 249 grams, this compact drone delivers 4K 30 FPS video with a 3-axis gimbal, 96 minutes total flight time, and up to 6 km transmission range. It includes visual tracking, quick shots, and a Fly More package. The Atom is an excellent option for travelers and hobbyists who want a lightweight yet powerful drone. The 3-axis gimbal provides excellent stability, while the under 249-gram weight makes it regulation-friendly in most regions. With strong range and long flight time, it competes with much more expensive drones. Pros: 4K video with 3-axis gimbal stabilization, lightweight under 249 grams for easy travel, 96-minute total flight time, 6 km max transmission range. Cons: smaller sensors limit performance in low light. Wind resistance isn't as strong as heavier drones. Number 5. Potensic Atom SE GPS drone with 4K EIS camera. This lightweight drone also weighs under 249 grams, offering a 4K EIS camera, 62 minutes of flight time, 4 km FPV transmission, and brushless motors for durability.
It's foldable, easy to carry, and designed for both beginners and adults. The Atom SE is an entry to mid-level drone that balances affordability with performance. While it doesn't have a 3-axis gimbal, the EIS system does a decent job of reducing shakiness. Its lightweight build and foldable design make it portable, while flight time and features like auto return make it reliable for new pilots. Pros: lightweight, foldable design under 249 grams, 4K EIS camera for stable footage, 62 minutes of flight time, durable brushless motors. Cons: EIS is less stable than gimbal systems, shorter range than higher-end models. So, which drone should you choose? If you're a beginner looking for an affordable, easy-to-fly option, the 2K HD GPS drone is a great starting point. For professional-grade aerial footage and long flight range, the Bwine F7GB2 Pro is a top pick. If you want long flight times with convenience, the GPS drone with 4K camera and built-in screen is a strong option. For travelers who need lightweight performance, the Potensic Atom with 3-axis gimbal delivers incredible value. And for a balance of portability, flight time, and price, the Potensic Atom SE is a great choice. That wraps up our top 5 list of the best drones on Amazon in 2025. All product links are in the description below if you want to check them out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.